so I won't be so nakakasawa.
So we're here at MSP. We're attending a wedding in Los Angeles, but we're flying to Vegas and then we're driving from there.
And we're about to board our flight going to Las Vegas, so we'll see you there. Alright, after a few short hours and a little bit of time traveling, we made it here to Las Vegas, Nevada. It's 9:30 a.m. and around 100 degrees. We're really living it up here in Vegas. We just got to Deep Hanoi restaurant. Let's eat. We've made it here to the Wynn Casino on the Strip. Good morning. It is day 2 here in Vegas, but we've actually checked out of our hotel already.
It's currently 6:30 a.m. We're here at 7 Magic Mountain, so let's check it out.
It's currently 6:30 a.m. so we're the only people here. Checking out the 7 Magic Mountains, which is an art exhibit that was put on by Swiss artist Ugo Rondinone, and we definitely recommend checking it out if you are in the Las Vegas area because it's only about 20 to 30 minutes away from the Strip, and it's right along Interstate 15. So we're now on the road again, as you can see. Check out the photos we got. Los Angeles, California. So we'll see you there.
So after 5 hours of driving, we finally made it here to Thousand Oaks, California. We're here at Uncle Sonny's house.
Yay! Oh, everybody's here. Auntie B made it. I know. Hi. It's for YouTube. Is it starting? It's starting. Vlog takeover by Emma. Okay. So we're just gonna go inside the house and we're gonna meet all of our family. Look at how pretty.
Hello.
Yes. Is that a big deal? What? I'm vlogging. Well, we're gonna decorate all these, or not decorate, put all these flowers for the wedding. We're having a photo shoot out here. It's so pretty out here, and I honestly don't know how to stop this video, so I guess I'm just gonna walk. Alright, thanks for coming on this vlog takeover with me. I can't stop it. So update, James and Xana are currently having a photo shoot at the neighbor's cactus. We found a salamander. Is it a salamander or a lizard or a gecko? And
I don't want to go.
Emma's freaking out right now, but look.
Ew, it's so. Oh, I don't like this.
But it's so cute.
Ew.
Let's go inside.
Let's go past. I don't know where it is. Emma, come on before it gets us.
It's gone. It's gone.
Come on, just run.
I'm scared. Piggyback.
It's not gonna hurt you.
Just run. Ready?
Yeah.
Please, no, James, can I take the back? Oh my god. You're so tall. Yeah, vlog takeover.
Vlog takeover. Hey guys, I'm Xana. We're gonna go get the other lens. It's fine. It's honestly probably more. Jeez! Oh my god. Ew! No, it's okay. It's gonna crawl up the step. It's gonna.
I'm not stepping. I'm not stepping. It's so ugly. It's so ugly.
Okay, yeah, we're going back inside, guys. This is unsafe. It's currently 5:16 p.m. We're still here at Uncle Sonny's. Jenny is currently working on some of the signs over there. Looks pretty good.
Oh my god, you're so good. Shit.
guys, so we forgot to end off the vlog yesterday. It's currently the second day here, and that's pretty much the end of this vlog. Today is the wedding of Lindsay and Tony, so we'll be documenting that, and you guys will get to see that in the next vlog. So this is pretty much the end of this vlog. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!